Hello everyone, friends. Today is a special video that I decided to make because our system showed excellent results in 2025. And I want to show you how we managed to achieve these results throughout the past year. At the same time, you'll see the monthly returns of this account and how we managed to achieve them. We achieved this result using aggressive settings. And most importantly, how can you achieve the same results by using different algorithms and the right type of trading? Today we'll review our situation. This is not financial advice, so please be reasonable and treat this as our personal experience. We are not trying to be better than anyone or to show something that isn't real. We show what we actually have in real time, and I am, without a doubt, extremely proud of that. I'll also show you a conservative account that has delivered its own results. You'll be able to compare how our systems work, whether we connect them to our own accounts or to clients' accounts. Anyone interested can connect trading robots to their personal account as well. To find the complete history, both in real time and historical performance of the algorithm, you just need to visit the website Mathbot.ai Pro. This is the company's official website. On the official website, you go to the Mathbot section here, and there is Mathbot in real time. A series of our accounts that we work with will open up for you. We have aggressive settings, conservative settings, and so on and so forth. And I'll show you one account right now. In this account, since 2024, we've made 1,200%. Here you can see the specific profits by month. And now the question is, how did we manage to achieve this? The thing is, we use a series of algorithms, not just a single algorithm. So this is just one of the accounts. Yes, it currently has a floating loss. This is part of our work. From time to time, these losses become larger or smaller. But thanks to this, we are able to achieve our profits. Now, if you look here, these are all the algorithms that open various positions based on different principles. Where there isn't one, those positions were opened manually. Our main algorithm is still considered to be Mathbot. It is the main one, it is the most important because thanks to it, everything else is possible. But there's something I want to show you. Pay attention to the fact that on this account, we have the Mathbot expert running. If we switch to the 15-minute time frame, here we have the candle reverse expert running. That is all the strategies we use in Mathbot. I've already recorded a video for you and shown how each particular strategy works. Next, if we look at the 5-minute time frame, here we use do-fi-zag. So this is a certain algorithm that uses a specific format of a trend, because usually a trend is more likely to continue its movement rather than reverse, right? And that's exactly where do-fi is very helpful, and as you can see, we use it on the 5-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we use squeeze momentum. You see, thanks to squeeze momentum, we open a huge number of positions every day because squeeze momentum gives, as you can see, a lot of different signals here. If I show you the history, you can see all the positions in the history. These are the comments and which algorithms worked with this or that, let's say, strategy. Now let's move to the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, we use a different strategy. We called it, wait, not here, it's somewhere else, we have it. We use it probably here on the hourly time frame. On this account, we use OpenEA at the market open. We've shown this strategy as well on our accounts, which we use on one or another account. But please note that if your account is small, say up to $10,000, of course, you won't be able to use all the strategies. You'll only be able to use some of them, for example, because gold itself is an expensive asset, and to work with gold, you need to have some capital. If you want to work, for example, with a small amount of capital, then unfortunately, you will be forced to use only one strategy. And there's no secret to this. You see, for example, by using conservative settings on this account, an account with over $100,000, this is how the profit is made. We work with micro positions, that is for $100,000, but at the same time, note that all these positions are open. This is as of the moment this video is being recorded. Right now, it's 5 p.m., and you can see that all these positions were open today. And this, accordingly, is the profit we've made just for today. The goal in trading is not to earn, well, at least for us, not to earn with large lots, but to earn massively. Massively by using a huge number of small lots, just like here. These are all the positions we've earned from today, starting from this moment right here. So if I set the report to show only today, just today, the day isn't even over yet, we've earned just for today this amount right here. Of course, sometimes it happens that, for example, if we take another day, I don't know, let's pick a different day. In the middle of the week, when we had the 25th as a holiday, well, let's look at the 21st. This is the average income we get with a capital of about $100,000 daily. It could be more, it could be less, but that's roughly the capital we have each day. Of course, we always want to earn more, but in trading, my friends, the most important thing is not just to make a quick buck. The main thing in trading is to stay in the game long term, to remain active in the market. And we demonstrate this even on our conservative accounts for those who don't want to risk their capital and have their own goals. Here's an example of one conservative account where we earn a little bit steadily every month. And anyone can do the same. I hope now you understand what stands behind the Mathbot project, what stands behind our tremendous and dedicated work, and unfortunately it doesn't always happen as quickly or as smoothly as we'd ideally like it to, but absolutely anyone who consistently puts in the necessary effort and commitment can truly achieve this remarkable goal and experience significant success. I wish everyone a happy new year, peace to all, goodbye.